Hello, my fellow arachnids. So today we are going to be doing yet another tutorial on my channel. We are actually going to be doing a scripting series. It's going to be pretty basic, so basically anyone could jump into it. You might want to do start to finish. Obviously, this is first episode, but in later on episodes, you might get a little confused. So make sure to watch this all the way to the end. Also, okay, so before you start scripting, you're going to need a few things. Obviously, you're going to need Roblox Studio. So what you could do is you can go to your browser and then just search up Roblox Studio download, or go to roblox.com and then press the Create tab. Those are what you could do. And then now once you have Roblox Studio open, you want to go to the New tab in the corner over here. And then you can press classic base plate, or flat terrain. Preferably base plate or base plate. I'm just gonna do base plate because it's the base plate, so it's pretty basic. And so we're gonna jump right in, and we're gonna show you the magic of scripting. So you want to go into View, and you just want to enable a few things. First, you want to make sure that you have your toolbox. So you want to make sure that you have your toolbox checked. You don't have to have your object browser, but you could. Command bar. Don't put commander bar, actually. What you want to do is you want to put the output. So put the output. What is the command bar? The command bar is not needed. And then that's it. It should be. Oh, and view selector should be helpful too when we're doing some other things. Also, I don't even think this is what the models are supposed to be. Anyways, so we're gonna do a few things. So what you want to do is you want to go to the corner. Oh, and you want to have Explorer too, and properties. Explorer and properties. So you could customize it whatever you want. You can move it. It's anything. Really, you could put it here. You could put properties here. You could put this here. Okay, I'm getting confused. Anyways, let me put this here. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. Okay, so once you have it all set up, you want to go to server script surface. You want to hover over it, press the plus, and then go down and get a script. Now you just want to delete everything real quick. Okay, so we are going to be learning about printing. Now, I'm not going to tell you what printing is for yet. I want to show you, and then I'll tell you. So watch to the end, I guess. Give me watch time, please. So, this is why you're going to need the output, because the output is basically like telling if you have errors, and it also tells you if you printed something. This is where all your prints are going to go, wherever you printed. So, what you want to do in the script, you can name it to print script, or really anything. You could really name it. And if you want to name it, you could select it, press F2, or you could just right click it and then press rename. I like to use F2 because it's a lot faster. So I'm just going to name this print script. Okay. So, oh my gosh. So, what you want to do is you want to write print. Now, print, it should light up like blue if you're in dark mode, or the other color. I don't use white mode, but if you do, it should light up like this. And then you want to put some parentheses. Now, so this should be what it looks like. Now, you don't want to put beginning bracket then end bracket, because basically you just put beginning bracket and then it just autofills, because you use brackets a lot, not brackets, parentheses a lot. So yeah, you just have to put the opening bracket. Now you could literally print anything you want, and it will show up here. For example, print. You have to have quotes here. So, in the in scripting, you have to have quotes if it's not a variable. Now, a variable is a stored amount of information, and we're not going to learn about that yet. But so you have to put quotes because it's not a variable. We're just saying random stuff. So let's say you want to print how you feel. I'm feeling pretty happy. Hopefully you are too. So I'm going to print happy, or I'm feeling happy. Now, you don't really have to do proper punctuation, but you should probably get into the habit, because punctuation is not punctuation, proper capitalization is needed. So you might want to put punctuate capitalization. For example, if you want to get service, you have to have proper capitalization. So you could print whatever you want. I'm just gonna print I'm feeling happy, and we could just press run. Now usually it's gonna be auto set to play. Oops, I don't want to do that yet. Anyways, so it's gonna be auto set to play, but you could press this downstroke, and I'm gonna do run because run makes it faster. And look at this. In the output, you press I'm feeling happy. Now, I'm going to explain why you should probably need this. Now, printing is used for pretty much a lot of things, like for debugging. You could use it with if statements. I'm not going to go into that. You could use it for, the output comes very important. You want to make sure if you don't have the output if you didn't have it. So printing is used for the debugging. It is also used for, I believe it is also used to, like, say if something is true. For example, I don't want to say anything because it might confuse you, but imagine we insert a part and we do, dang, I don't want to go into this, but, what if we do, if game.workspace.part equals that transparency equals 1, then print. Then we can do then print it. So then you will know that's what it's also used for. Don't go into that there. It's not that complex compared to the other things that we're gonna learn. Okay, so I just got DM, so don't worry. So yeah, it is used for that too, and printing is used for many other things. I would not go into because I don't want to offend you. I don't know if I confused you already. Um, anyways, so let's print something else. Maybe we could do print hot dogs. Okay, print hot dogs. And then boom, now there's hot dogs. Okay, so I want this tutorial to be fairly long because I want you guys to learn as much as possible. So I did say that we're not gonna learn about variables, but let's learn about variables. Very easy. Okay, so if you wanna you use variables to identify something. So if you just put local okay. If you just put part, if you do print part, the computer will not know what a part is. You have to identify what a part is. It's like a very young child. They wouldn't know what a word means unless if you tell it to them. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tell the computer what a part is and what it means, and then we'll ask it to print it. Obviously, we're not gonna actually tell it what a part is within like an actual sentence, like a part is. We're gonna do it in a way that it actually has a valid code sentence. So local part, you want to put local. If you don't put local, your computer will get confused. So local part equals game. So oh no, okay, that's a bit too complex. So local part equals a part. a part in the workspace. And yes, workspace. Yet the part is in the workspace. Well, now it is. You never saw anything. A part is in the workspace. So yeah, local part equals a part in the workspace. So we could do print part. Because since we told the computer what a part is, what the part means, it should not give us an error. See, if I delete it, oh my gosh, if I deleted this, don't delete it, only I will. If I deleted this and I just said print part, it would say nil, because basically nil means unknown, unidentified. It basically means like, oh, I'm confused. The computer's basic. That's a way of the computer expressing that they are confused. So we need to, tell it what it means. So local part equals part in the space. So now, if we print part, it should not print nil, and it should actually print a part in the workspace. Yep. So now that we told what it means, it will now print what we said it would mean. We could do all kinds of stuff with this. We could make multiple variables. So we could have two variables at the same time. Local part, we could do local hot dog equals food, and then we could do local cat equals animal. So, and then if we do print hot dog, comma, because comma, you're listing things. Also, if you feel more comfortable, you could press enter within the parentheses, and it'll look like this. It still works the same way, but if you want to do it, you can do it. It really is no difference, basically. Anyways, we could do print hot dog, comma, because we're listing a thing, cat. So it should print food, comma, animal. If all goes well. Okay, look at that. Food animal. Not what I expected. I thought it meant to put a comma. What we should do is we put food. Oh no, I'm glitching out. Food, and then we do that, and then it shouldn't say food animal, it should do food and then animal. Yep, perfect. So, that concludes the first episode. I just want to make sure that, this works. Print, hot dog, cat. It should work. Would you look at that? It works. Anyways, that concludes the first episode. I hope you liked the video. I will be doing a second tutorial very soon, so do not leave this channel just yet. Turn on your notifications and subscribe so you never miss an upload in case you want to learn more about scripting. Scripting is very fun, and don't give up on it too easily. It's very fun once you get to learn everything. So, I hope you all liked the video. Like if you did, you don't really have to, but do hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Same with commenting and all that other stuff. You don't really have to, but I would really appreciate it. Anyways, hope you liked the video, and have an amazing day.